What's up, boys and girls? These are the settings that I would use for Bluestacks 5 if I had a low-end PC. So first off, we want to open up our Bluestacks. Open up real quick. And we're gonna mess around with 3 tabs and something extra. So after your Bluestacks is open up, navigate to this right corner right here and click on settings. Here we're going to play with the performance, display and graphics. So first off, CPU allocation, you want to go medium. Medium, almost anybody should be able to pull off medium. If you're having issues, if your PC is struggling with medium, go low. But you can't go lower than low. So medium, almost anyone should be able to run it. Memory allocation, here we want to select medium as well. Make sure these two match the options. And as for the performance mode, you want to click on this release button or drag down menu and click on high performance. The FPS we will not touch, leave it as capped at 60. Chances are if you have a low-end PC, you won't be able to pull more than 60 FPS. So medium 2 cores, medium 2 gigabytes and high performance, leave this at 60. Now we will navigate to the next tab. I'll discard the changes. Here, landscape, chances are you want to play your games in landscape mode. What I would use for most low-end PCs is this option, 1280 by 720. It is still good quality, yet it's not as CPU intensive on the PC as the other option, or the one which is getting recommended. I would never play at this resolution which it recommends. So pixel density we don't touch any of the other things, and we navigate to graphics. Again, discard changes. So here, graphics engine mode, we definitely want to select performance, and I think it's set to compatibility at first, but we want to select performance. This graphics renderer we don't mess with. Interface renderer we do not mess with. And as for this ASTC textures, we want to disable them. This basically doesn't make the textures as rigid as they normally are. But if you have a low-end PC, you probably won't be able. This will slow your PC down. So just disable this and save your changes. That is what we need to do from within the app itself. And another thing which we're going to do is, before we close out of the app, just gonna discard these changes. You wanna right-click on your menu and select Task Manager. Here we're gonna navigate to details and scroll down until you find hdplayer.exe. That is our Bluestacks. So right click on it and then set priority, and you want to set the priority to high. Do not set it to real time, your PC will probably explode. If you're having issues with high, make sure you select it, you change it to above normal. But high is what you should be aiming for. Alright guys, with all of these settings, I think the resolution will have the biggest effect on your FPS and will give you the most FPS. But these are the settings I recommend. Make sure you tell me if they worked or not, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.